And on today's episode of Scott's Speed Shop, featuring the old yard dart, today will hopefully be the last day we have to deal with the annoying open header manifold situation, because she is headed to a local exhaust shop and hopefully they'll build me an exhaust system I'm happy with. I was originally just going to have them build down pipes, but with the way everything else is going, I think I'm just going to see what they're going to charge, do the exhaust out the sides where I want it, and hopefully it don't cost too much. So I'll show you a good old cold start. Alrighty, everything's cold, ice cold. You just can't ask for more than that. Damn. Well, let her warm up for a while, and I'll see you guys at the exhaust shop. Well guys, as you can see, she made it. We're on the other end of town, and there's James Automotive, the exhaust shop. So let's go see what we can get done. Well guys, the old yard dart sitting there at James Automotive exhaust shop here in Ottawa, Kansas, where I live. And we're on the same page as far as what the exhaust needs. And originally I was going to build it myself, but like I said, it's going to be so much easier just to have Kevin and his son Jeff do it. So we're on the same page of exactly what we want, so it'll be good. So I'll be back to pick it up, but right now I'm walking. Virgil walking home. So. Oh, actually I'm going up to the Casey's to meet my mom, and mom's gonna give me a ride in her new little hot rod she's got. But good old Mary's Drzine River, a bridge in Ottawa, Kansas. Nice little small town. Oh, I was kind of bored, so I figured I'd just record and let you know what happened. So we're all good. James and them, they're all great guys. They've been running that muffler shop for forever. And I don't know if they're gonna cut me a special deal or not. I don't expect them to, so as long as she sounds good, it's all that matters. It's all that matters. Of course, the mufflers ain't gonna make the car sound like crap. The engine's gonna make the car sound like crap. But hope you all are enjoying, and I'll show you more once it's done. Well guys, looks like I got a phone call. The exhaust system is done. Michael's here.
Hi.
He's driving the Condom or Magnissimo, whatever you want to call it, and he's going to take me down there, and hopefully it's what I wanted, and hopefully it sounds good. Hope so. I'll show you guys when we get down there. Well guys, we're down here at James Automotive. Jeff and Kevin, he's hiding over there. But they did an excellent job, exactly what I asked for. Exits right there, glass packs, crossover. You guys got to see the magic they worked right in here. Clearance for the torsion bar just perfectly. I was gonna say, yeah, we'll get that flashlight in there. That's perfect. I mean, you couldn't ask for more. Yeah, and they used the V-band clamps, so this ought to seal up really good. I couldn't be more happy. And really good clearance too, so ain't no lower than the tranny pan, which is already pretty deep, so daggone. Ah. Yeah, that's gonna look good. Damn. Thank you guys. Yeah. So much better. I love it. Oh, I can hear myself think. Still got a little bit of tone to her, so can't wait to get her home. Let's pay the man and get on the road. Well, here we go, guys. Headed home. I couldn't say anything nicer about those guys. They're cool dudes. They hooked me up. Oh, the wing window's already open. But yeah, I'm very happy with the sound of it. I love glass packs. Some people love them, some people hate them. So we're gonna cruise on home. Woo! Here we go. You want a race?
Sure.
Yeah. What you got under the hood?
Just a little 4-cylinder.
Oh God, Michael. I lost my speedometer. Oh no. I lost my phone. It went flying back. Oh. Woo. I gotta say, I love this exhaust. It's actually a lot quieter than I figured it would be inside the car. I mean, it's very drivable. It's got that little bit of grumble and rumble. Of course, now I can really hear the engine, so I know I got a lot of work to do underneath the hood to get her tuned in, dialed in. So, I'll see you guys when we get home. Like a sewing machine. Not a single header leak up here. Actually pretty quiet underneath the hood, but to you guys on camera that might be a little bit noisier valve train because it's solid lifter. But yeah, I couldn't be any happier, that's for sure. But, I mean, what can you say? It's awesome. Oh, there it idled down a lot. That's idling too low. But, yep. The old Dart's got an exhaust. It no longer deafens you and it no longer sounds like a hood-da-bingy. So, oh, I couldn't be any happier. So, I do thank the guys at James Automotive. They did an awesome job. Of course, I don't think I got any special deal. It was $300 to get the exhaust done. Yeah, some guys might say that was too much for what little we got done, but probably. But you know what? For the trials and tribulations they probably had to go through to try and get those pipes to fit where those headers are, they earned their keep for that. Yeah, that's a pretty tight area. Yeah, it's really tight. I mean, I honestly figured I'd go down there and they tell me no. Kind of what I was figuring, but I appreciate it, Kevin and Jeff. Yeah. I always get Jeff's name wrong. I'm sorry, because it's Jeff James and Kevin James. Yeah. But anyways, I really appreciate it, guys. Michael, what do you think?
Sounds good.
Yeah, I like glass packs. It's really quiet right now, but they'll obviously burn out over time and they'll get a little more throaty.
Yep.
That's what I like about glass packs.
A little more crackly.
Yeah. And what we do, I think we did a 2-inch exhaust, which is perfect for that little engine. So we got our crossover. I'm like a pig rolling around in shit or something. I figured you would know.
No, there's all sorts of them.
It's all, anyways, regardless. But yeah, there's the old Dart. We're gonna get working on the body and paint work, but you know, we got body and paint work due on the dart, and we got Jezebel still sitting over there looking sad and lonely and everything else. Every other project we have, but I appreciate you guys watching. It's just a short little video, and tell me in the comments if it sounds good or if you think it sounds like absolute hammer dog shit, because I don't really care what you think about that. I like it, that's all that matters. I kind of hope you guys like it, but you didn't pay for it. So Michael, help me end it.
What? Saying like, subscribe, give it video big thumbs up.
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 Yeah, that'll work.
Alright, that'll work.
Well, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, you said it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was a great ending. Thank you, Michael, for helping me end that. But I just got to give you one little more sneak peek at what's to come for the old yard dart. Yep.